A bottle of Code Blue Platinum Standing Estrus retails for $39.99 at Bellows, 1.5 ounces. The label claims it is 63% more effective than standard doe estrus. American Hunter magazine asked the obvious question. No word on the double-blinded, placebo-controlled clinical trial that led to that labeling claim. The deer attractant market in the United States generates hundreds of millions of dollars per year. It does this by selling hunters the idea that a bottle of commercially produced liquid can override the behavioral and biological instincts of the most cautious animal in the American woods. 5 brands on this list are taking that money without delivering on that premise. 3 alternatives work with deer biology instead of against it. Norm Bellows spent 31 years as a whitetail deer habitat consultant and land manager across the Southeast and Midwest. He has managed properties from Alabama to Iowa. He has watched hunters run every major attractant brand on the market across hundreds of stands over 3 decades. He retired in 2024. He never took a sponsorship from a deer attractant company. Norm spent 31 years watching 2 things happen consistently. Hunters who used deer attractants correctly in the right location at the right time of the rut killed deer. Hunters who relied on attractants to compensate for poor stand placement, wrong wind, or wrong timing did not. The attractant was never the variable that determined the outcome. The biology was. Scam number 1. Code Blue Platinum Standing Estrus, $39.99 for 1.5 ounces. The most expensive product by price per ounce in the entire deer attractant category. The 63% more effective claim, printed on the label, has no published methodology behind it. American Hunter magazine noted the absence of any verifiable clinical trial documentation when reviewing the product. The Virginia Department of Wildlife Resources documented what the label does not mention. Natural deer urine is collected over a grate system that does not prevent contamination from feces, saliva, and other bodily fluids from captive cervids. Chronic wasting disease prions are shed through saliva, urine, and feces of infected cervids. CWD prions do not break down. They bind to soil particles and persist on the landscape for decades. Virginia banned possession and use of natural deer urine attractants in the field in 2015. Alabama followed in 2019. Arkansas, Alaska, Arizona, Vermont, and multiple Canadian provinces have enacted similar bans. $39.99 for a product that is illegal to use in a growing number of states and carries a biological risk the label does not disclose. Real deer attractants work with deer biology. The rest work with your credit card. Scam number 2. TINK'S 69 Doe-In-Rut, the most recognizable brand in the deer urine attractant category. Carried in every hunting retailer in America, endorsed by television hunters for decades. Rokslide Forum documented the field result that every experienced hunter has encountered at least once. A forum user reported that TINK'S was potent and ineffective, and that he was always afraid the lid would come off in the truck. Arkansas Hunting Forum documented a more specific outcome. A hunter applied TINK'S, Estrus, and deer changed their trail by 50 yards to walk around the application area, from 25 to 50 trail camera images per day to 0. The same CWD contamination risk that applies to Code Blue applies to TINK'S 69. The urine is collected from captive deer in facilities that include CWD-positive herds. There is no commercially available test that can confirm a bottle of TINK'S is prion-free before it reaches the shelf. When that bottle is poured onto the ground, CWD prions that may be present bind to soil and persist for decades. Real deer attractants work with deer biology. The rest work with your credit card. Scam number 3. Conquest EverCalm Deer Herd Scent. The calming scent angle, not an attractant in the traditional sense. A product designed to make deer feel calm and safe near your stand location. Arkansas Hunting Forum documented the outcome from a hunter who applied EverCalm to his stand area. The deer went way around it. They actually changed their established trail by approximately 50 yards to avoid the application area. He went from 25 to 50 trail camera images per day to 0. The product designed to calm deer had the opposite effect on the deer that knew that area best. Mature whitetail deer are pattern animals. They know their home range. Any unfamiliar chemical compound in their core area triggers a threat response, not a comfort response. EverCalm introduces a foreign scent compound from captive deer into the territory of wild deer that have never encountered it. The result, documented in hunting forums, is deer avoidance rather than deer attraction. Real deer attractants work with deer biology. The rest work with your credit card. Scam number 4. Wildlife Research Center Special Golden Estrus. Super premium doe urine with estrus secretions. More intense, more powerful, longer reaching. The marketing claims escalate with every product here in the line. Before we get to the last scam and the 3 alternatives that actually work with deer biology, the complete deer attractant and stand approach system, norm used across 31 years of habitat consulting, is documented inside the Hunter's Vault. Linked below. Order B Bump 5, the Ghost Scent system, covers the complete field protocol for scent deployment that the data supports. Point your camera at the QR code in the bottom right, or find the link in the description. But stay right here, because the last scam is the one hunters use when everything else has already failed. The Virginia Department of Wildlife Resources documented the specific concern about Wildlife Research Center and all natural urine products in the same category. Prions do not break down in soil. Researchers found that prions have an ionic charge and bind to soil particles, particularly clay. A hunter pours urine on the ground, and if prions are present, it creates a hotspot of infection that persists for years. There is no way to test the product before use. There is no way to decontaminate the soil after use. Real deer attractants work with deer biology. The rest work with your credit card. Scam number 5, nose jammer, the vanillin compound approach, not a scent that attracts deer, a product that claims to overwhelm a deer's olfactory system long enough to give the hunter an advantage. A whitetail deer has approximately 297 million scent receptors in its nasal passage. A human has approximately 5 million. The premise of nose jammer is that flooding that system with vanillin temporarily disables it. Norm spent 31 years observing whitetail olfactory behavior in the field. The scientific consensus is that a deer's olfactory system does not work like a cup that overflows. It works like a processor that identifies threats even when other inputs are present. Rokslide Forum documented the field outcome from hunters who used nose jammer in real hunting situations. The pattern across experienced hunters was consistent. Scents did not attract mature deer. In some cases, they alerted deer. Rattling and calling were the only things that produced consistent results on mature animals. Real deer attractants work with deer biology. The rest work with your credit card. 3 alternatives that work with deer biology instead of against it. None of them have an end cap at Bass Pro Shops. Winner number 1, cracked corn mixed with molasses. Arkansas Hunting Forum. One of the best attractants I have ever used was a 50-pound bag of corn with molasses. It lasted a long time and drew in every kind of critter imaginable. Molasses is a natural byproduct of sugarcane processing. Deer are attracted to the sweetness and the mineral content. The scent carries farther than most commercial food attractants. The cost per pound is a fraction of any branded deer attractant on the market. A 50-pound bag of cracked corn runs between $15 and $20. A quart of unsulfured molasses costs approximately $5 at any grocery store. The combination has been documented in hunting forums across the country as one of the most reliable food-based deer attractants available. Check your state regulations before use, as baiting is restricted in some states. Real deer attractants work with deer biology. The rest work with your credit card. Winner number 2, the do-it-yourself mock scrape. No commercial urine, no CWD risk, no $39 bottle. Rokslide Forum documented the method that serious hunters have used for decades. Set up a mock scrape where it will become a real scrape with real deer scent. The goal is to get deer to overtake it with their own deposits. Once a mature buck investigates and deposits his own scent, the scrape functions as a natural deer magnet with no commercial product required. Gone Forum documented a variation that experienced hunters have verified across multiple seasons. Clear the ground in the classic scrape oval shape beneath a licking branch. The licking branch, hanging overhead at nose height, is the critical element. Bucks interact with licking branches compulsively during the pre-rut and rut. A properly positioned licking branch with disturbed ground beneath it activates territorial behavior that no commercial Estrus product reliably replicates. Cost: $0. Real deer attractants work with deer biology. The rest work with your credit card. Winner number 3, plain mineral salt block or loose mineral from any farm supply store, not the branded hunting mineral at $5 per pound from Cabela's. The 50-pound plain mineral block at the farm supply store for $8 to $12. Deer require minerals for antler development, bone growth, and lactation. The mineral requirements of a whitetail deer do not distinguish between a product sold in a hunting store and a product sold in a farm supply store. A 50-pound mineral block from Tractor Supply costs approximately $9. A 5-pound bag of branded hunting mineral from a major retailer costs $18 to $25. The mineral composition that attracts deer to a site is the same in both products. What differs is the packaging, the hunting imagery, and the price per pound. Norm documented this across 31 years of property management. The most productive mineral sites on every property he managed were established years before any commercial hunting mineral product was applied. Plain agricultural mineral salt from a farm store created the same deer movement patterns at 1/6 the cost per pound. The deer do not read the label, they taste the mineral. Real deer attractants work with deer biology. The rest work with your credit card. Norm's complete list. Scam number 1. Code Blue Platinum Standing Estrus, $39.99 for 1.5 ounces. No verifiable efficacy data. CWD risk documented. Banned in multiple states. Scam number 2. TINK'S 69 Doe-In-Rut, documented in field reports repelling deer rather than attracting them. Same CWD contamination risk as Code Blue. Scam number 3. Conquest EverCalm, documented in field reports causing deer to reroute their established trails to avoid the application area. Scam number 4. Wildlife Research Center Special Golden Estrus, CWD prion contamination risk. No pre-sale testing available. Prions persist in soil for decades. Scam number 5. Nose jammer. No scientific evidence that vanillin overloads a deer's olfactory system. Field documentation shows mixed results at best, and deer alerting at worst. 3 that actually work. Winner number 1. Corn and molasses. $25 for a full season of food-based attraction. Documented in forums across every major hunting state. Check local regulations. Winner number 2. DIY mock scrape. $0. Works with natural territorial behavior. Gets better every season as deer overtake it with real scent. Winner number 3. Plain mineral salt block from the farm supply store. $9 for 50 pounds versus $25 for 5 pounds of the branded alternative. Same mineral. Same deer attraction. Different receipt. The math on a full hunting season A hunter running Code Blue Platinum, TINK'S 69, EverCalm, and Nose Jammer spends approximately $120 per season on attractants. The same hunter running corn with Molasses, a DIY mock scrape, and a farm supply mineral block spends under $30. The deer taken on both setups are determined by stand placement, wind direction, and hunting pressure, not by the label on the bottle. The deer attractant aisle at Bellows is one of the highest margin sections in the store. Products are light, inexpensive to produce, and priced based on the emotional promise of the rut, not the biological reality of whitetail behavior. Norm documented that pattern across 31 years of land management. The hunters on his properties who killed mature bucks consistently were not the hunters with the most products. They were the hunters with the best stand placement and the most disciplined wind management. The complete deer movement, stand placement, and scent deployment system Norm used across 31 years of habitat consulting is documented inside the hunter's vault, linked below. Order B Bump 5, the Ghost Scent System, covers the field protocol for every component of scent management that the data actually supports. Point your camera at the QR code in the bottom right, or find the link in the description. Real deer attractants work with deer biology. The rest work with your credit card. Drop a comment with the attractant you have been running, and whether it has ever changed deer behavior in a way you could document on a trail camera. Norm's 31 years of data suggests the results are more mixed than the labels imply. Next week, we are back with another $0 fix that the industry has been quietly burying for decades.